In front of me is a LeEco Le S3, and today I'll show you how to go to the hard reset of the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and select power off. So swipe down to power off, like so. Now once the device shuts off, which should be any moment now, you want to then hold power key and volume up, so both keys at the same time. Power, volume up. And when you see the LeEco logo, you can let go. You can also see recovery mode. And from here, you only have a couple options. So you can just tap on it. Let's go back actually. So you have option to update system and clear data. Now I'm just gonna stick with the clear data. And you also get a message, all the data on system settings, apps, and what is stored in the virtual SD card will be erased. Virtual SD card just means the memory of the device itself. So if there's anything that you would like to keep on the device, photos, music, any kind of thing like that you have just put there yourself, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have done that or you don't want to back it up, select clear data, tap on start, and the process will begin. Now this will take probably a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. Okay, let's actually, after this is finished, you actually need to restart the device. So stop on that, and now the process will continue in the background. And as you can see, now the process finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.